Hey, this is Mr. Williamson. Gonna do a quick video to show parents how to access their kids' grades on the Student Progress Center by JCampus if they're doing it from a mobile device. Now, I also need to say at this point, there is an app that's available. Last time I used it, it was not very user-friendly and didn't have all of the information. So I still check my student stuff through the browser. So go to Safari or Google Chrome or whatever browser you have on your phone and go to FPHS.US. That's our school's website. And once you're there at the top, you're going to hit Menu and go down to where it says Student Progress Center and click on that. Now, if you have not set up an account yet, you can create a new user by going to the Create New User button down here. And you're going to put your relationship to the student, the last name of the student, and the PSN number, which is the last 5 digits of their social security number, okay? So your relationship, their last name, last 5 of their social security number. The rest of the fields you leave blank, you hit continue, and it'll allow you to create a username and password. However, I don't need to do that because I've already done that step. So that's a first time only sort of deal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the school's website real quick. Go to our menu and go to Student Progress Center. Bring it all back up. And now I'm going to put in the username and password, okay? When you do this, make sure that you do not have anything capitalized that's not supposed to be capitalized. Your phone will try to capitalize the first letter of your password because it thinks you're typing a name, and it will mess you up. So make sure you're doing that correctly. But now we're here. Now this is a little bit different from the Student Progress Center on the computer. You still have to click on the picture of your student. And again, if you have students at Crowell or H.G. White or any of the other schools in our district, all of them should show up together here for you. But after you click on your student's picture, to get to the grades, you click on the menu at the top, which are these 3 little horizontal lines, and then you click on the student's name again, and then you can click on grades, okay? Kind of different, but you can see all of their grades. You may have to scroll to the side to see absolutely everything on here, okay? And you can see their individual grades down below, okay? And if we go back up to that menu, you can also check their attendance and discipline from here, just like you can on the full website on the computer. So it's just a little bit different the way the menus are set up, but everything is still available to you. So if you have any questions, let me know.